local time is 4:45. So we will be taxiing for just a few more moments, so we ask that you please remain seated with seatbelts fastened until we've made a complete stop at the gate. And then before you leave us, we ask that you check around you for all the personal belongings you may have brought on board. If you're making connections here in Chicago, we do have monitors inside the terminal area that will direct you to your departure by flight number, gate, and time. If you gate check the stroller, they usually come to the second door of the aircraft. That's on the left-hand side, the first row of economy. And if you requested a wheelchair, if you're unable to walk to the gate room area, a wheelchair will arrive once all the passengers have disembarked the aircraft. If you choose to walk off the aircraft, they are inside the terminal area. All of us at United Airlines and our Star Alliance partners, thank you very much for traveling with us. It's certainly been our pleasure having you on board. We look forward to seeing you once again. Aloha, mahalo, and a very happy New Year to you all.